The Nature Exhibition Room introduces Akita's bountiful nature. This is done through two themes, Memories of the Earth and Poems of Life. The Memories of the Earth zone mainly displays Akita Prefecture's rocks, minerals, and fossils in order of geologic era. The deeper you go, the farther back in time you travel. In the central walkway, the representative fossils and rocks of each era are introduced. Along this wall, rocks and minerals are introduced by classification group. On the wall opposite from the rocks and minerals, fossils that have been discovered in Akita are introduced according to their place on the axis of time. Large-scale skeletons of Desmostolus, Nauman's elephant, and more are on display in the center of the exhibition room. The Poems of Life zone broadly separates Akita's natural environments and introduces representative life that can be seen in each. There are various types of items here. These include animal taxidermy and skeletons, pressed leaves, specimens encased in acrylic that can be observed from any angle, and much more. Like this, the early history of Akita's ground and living things are displayed in this nature exhibition room. Through this, you can feel the many charms of Akita's nature.